In today's video, I'll show you how you can add black bars in PowerDirector. So let's get started. So here we are in PowerDirector. To add black bars is really simple. So you just need to select your clip here in your timeline, and then you would want to go into clicking here on Edit. Next is that you want to go here into the mask section. And then you want to go here into the parallel mask. And when you click on that, as you can see, you already have a black bar right here. And then you can just adjust it accordingly, depending on how much length you'd want the black bars to be. And if you're satisfied with this, just static black bar, then you are all good to go. However, if you would want it to be even better, like you would have a animation for the in and the out, then here's how you can do it. It's really easy. So first is that you want to select your clip again with the black bar and then click on Edit, and then you'll be prompted back in here. Just click on Advanced. And now is that you just simply want to keyframe the scale. So you want to place your playhead here at the beginning where you would want your animation to begin. So in here, I'm going to go click here on keyframe. And first, the black bar must not be visible. So something like that. And then move a couple frames or seconds forward. Maybe something like that. And now this is the time where I would want my black bars to fully merge. So now when we play it, we will now have this animation. So yeah, there it is. Now click on OK. And here is the final result. So this is it on how you'd be able to add black bars into your video in PowerDirector. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.